Ain't no one gonna take me away from you, girl. And ain't no one gonna take you away from me. Ain't no one gonna take me away from you. I'm yours forever. Forever you're mine too.
Welcome to Wh&t TV at the right place and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless, love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, speak upon yourself. Welcome to Wh&t TV, you know the man of peace. And me always set the violence of the streets. Live with love, unity and strength, man. Yeah, man, the 28th of March. And I mean, it's a lovely day, life are the greatest gift. Anyone today, I love and blessings, you know. Love and love and love and love alone. That's the right way, you see it? Yes, man, in this episode, you know, we have two queen of feature on the platform, man. You see me? Queen Amiga touchdown in one part of South Africa. I mean, I tell you, say, she was well received. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, the receptance, man, up, man, you see me? I mean, I tell you, say, Queen Omega, over the moons, till she bend down on her knees and kiss the floor. Mama Africa, yeah, man, promised land, you know? Showing that. And then we have Queenie, Queen Ladi Gangster, broke down, got emotional in her vehicle, you know, like she missed the way, and she said, yo, after 4 years of marriage, you know. I'm going to see what I'm going to but I don't know. A queen is no shame in our game, you see me? Big up yourself, queen, anyway, there, but I love our blessings, man.
I watch them on the German represent for Wh&t TV. They are real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Wh&t Patriots out there.
Alright, so for all those who are not familiar with Queen Omega, you see me? Yeah, she forward with a big Mansa hit. The Little Lion song, you know, went viral and thing. And this she just gone through the door, you know. So big up Queen Omega. I'm going to a quick remembrance. See me? Yeah.
No love in this world, may they lose them soul on the mind.
Yes, man, that is just a great moment, great watch, you know. When I saw it, I was so pleased because I don't know, Africa, going to Africa to the first time was a great moment. I wasn't received like that big of Ashaites, you know, but we got loved at the airport. When we go back at it, when the first time I go to Africa, me just set up a little thing with DJ Spital to do a little promotion for my EP and the who feels it knows, Zane. But if after that when I forward back, love at the airport, man, first class treatment, you know. Yeah, man, chauffeur driven to the plane. You see it. But Queen Omega now, if you think different, you know, she bust already, you know. So South Africa look forward to see her. First time I got Gambia, nobody don't know me. One or two African people know me, yes, but Queen Omega, she bust already. So, you know, them I look for her to come share along some shows now and do some promotion and thing. So you know she gonna get well received. We don't see it busy sings and move out of them, man, and other artists who go Africa, sizzle them, man. Airport full. You see me? But no place nice like Africa, me I tell you no. You see me, I know it's a man, I love Africa. Big up Benin, I go Gambia, I go Benin, I go Morocco. I know Morocco, Africa. You see it? Yeah, man, we have more African places to go. You know what I mean? Africa is nice, man. You see me? But you know South Africa, big up all South Africa, Zimbabwe. You see me and say, yeah, man, big up Queen Omega. It's a great look, great look. I can see such emotional. Went down on her knees and kissed the floor, you know. You know what I mean? Mama Sile. You see it? Wicked and wild, versatile. Moving on now, next we have Queen Ladi Gangster. Got emotional, broke down in tears in her vehicle. You know what I mean? So she missed her husband after 4 years of marriage. She feeling lonely right now and do with us cut girl left her, you know? Yeah, you see me? But I don't know. We're all human and everybody have an emotion in them, you see me? I know Queenie said no shame to her game, you see me? But anyway, watch where I go. Why so like say them souls they were Stone Love play, you know. Touch up Queen, hey, big up Stone Love when it come to souls mix, Stone Love, you know them have it though. Yo, you don't feel like a fake ball or a real ball, Queenie a ball. But for the joke aside, still then song then, hey, we never make love on a song there yet. Mad sitting man. I've been waiting for you. Yeah, yeah, Lord, that singing thing. Jano Star. Fun and joke aside, still, you know, everybody needs someone to love, you know. I know Queenie, she love Dewey, you know. She love Dewey, but sometimes relationship no work out because for a reason. You know, if it not work, no fight it, but we don't know Star. You see it. But Queenie miss Dewey right now. She lonely under them souls. You want some Johnny, she want some cocky, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, Queenie about her say she lonely. You know, she miss her doing, man. You know, she lonely, you know, she and worse on them souls there. And them high grade spliffs where she have bun and good all and her liquor and some hard stiff cock, you know. Jaja. But you know us, we're all human and we have feelings and our blood don't throw away, you see me? You know, maybe do we have enough or him soon forward back, but a good while now him cut. Is it? And Queen if we just go and move on and live her life, you know, but she, you see me? She love her husband and she want her to do it, you see me? But let me know what you think about that, my viewers and subscribers. Is it? You know, Queen is no shame to her game and she go bar, she go skin out, she go do anything at all. But she want to do, you see me? That's Queenie that. Big up Queenie. Hold the faith and stay strong, mama. You see me? Yeah, but you know, I saw you go my viewers and subscribers, but the souls there, and them souls that wake up the anger and loneliness in a Queenie, you know. Them that Stone Love mix we shall listen to. Bad! Yeah man, big up Stone Love. You know, Lion Foot the man of peace, you know. You see me? And big up Queen Omega too, you see it? Bad artist in South Africa right now, and sometimes if the relationship not work, don't force it to Queenie. Maybe God have someone out there good for you and right for you. You know, where I go stay, you know? Yeah, that's just my opinion still. But viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the vlog. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. You see me? Yeah, my support is all loved and appreciated. That's it. Yeah, man, I'm the man of peace. Man, I set the violence off the streets. You hear that? Go shots. Blessed love. I'm out. Not another word out of me. I'm out.